DIY wax kit includes, to begin at-home waxing journey, here Ajoura offers everything you need: a full wax kit for hair removal. Wax warmer 500 ml, 1 unit, stripless hard wax beads, 4 bags, for all over use, waxing oil before and after spray, and 20 wax sticks. Multi-purpose hard wax beans, rose pink wax beads, target Brazilian, underarms, chest, and bikini area. Blueberry wax beads, perfect to face, eyebrow, arms, legs, unwanted hair. From coarse to fine hair, Ajoura Eyebrow Wax Kit will solve for you. Thick Coarse Hair Savior. Our wax beans have the advantage of skin-friendly, reduce the skin discomfort. This Brazilian waxing kit for women focuses on solving the problem of coarse hair, armpit, bikini babe. With strong adherence can remove stubborn hair, targets for underarms, bikini, Brazilian, and back, etc. Mini salon at home. Achieve waxing at home and meet your privacy needs. No need to pay for salon over $50. Hold our Ajoura at-home waxing kit for women, just cost at a fraction of the waxing session, which enables safe and protects personal privacy during this hard time. 100% quality guarantee. We provide customers 90 days full refund, sincere after service. 100% refund or replacement available if you don't like Ajoura hard wax kit. Add a Ajoura wax kit for hair removal in carts and buy it in confidence. Top reviews from the United States. Saved me so much money. This has been a lifesaver for my wallet. Most professional Brazilian waxes or even bikini waxes can cost $60 minus $80 for one visit. If you feel comfortable waxing yourself and don't mind some cleanup, this is more than worth its money. I find keeping the temp around 200 to be perfect, and the wax melter auto turns off on the heat if it gets too hot or cold to maintain the set temp, which is really nice.